The deal.
All right, what we're doing here is we're
haggling for that bike.
$50 if he wins. He's going to call the coin flip, heads or tails, when it's in the air. Okay.
Right.
If he calls heads and it ends up heads, he's got it for $50. If he calls heads and it ends up tails, he's giving it
for $60.
So it's a big $10
So it's a $10 flip. And Matthew's paying the cash.
I'm calling the coin. I'm calling the coin.
Oh, you're calling the coin? Lukey's not calling it?
No. Well,
all right.
If Lukey wants to call it,
you gotta call it when it's flipping in the air, heads or tails, okay?
Wouldn't I have to flip it if he's gonna call it?
No.
Yeah, that'd be easier.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you know how to call it the coin?
Yeah,
all right.
Heads or tails? You're gonna call it? You gotta say one or the other. You don't say heads or tails though.
No, you say heads I win, tails you lose.
You flip it, I'll call it.
All right. Ready? Do it.
Tails.
What do we get?
It's heads.
It's heads.
Boom. There you go. He's the happy owner.
Oh, he's paying it. There's the money.
There's the money.
It's a double-headed quarter. This is what he got, man.
There you go.
XR75.
Hey, you know that XR80 that guy over there's got?
Yeah.
Yeah. You did? Yeah, I should have came yesterday.
Yeah. We'll know
My
better.
son walked up and the guy was buying it.
Yeah.
He's gonna, like and then he went over there. He wanted $350 for it an hour or something.
Yeah, it's worth it.
And but yeah, he got it for like $150.
That's what the sun does. It brings them out.
Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.